Hey everyone, sometimes ChatGPT gives us answers that aren't quite right. Let's go over how to fix those mistakes quickly. So, first, identify and check the answer carefully. If seems off, like incorrect facts or missing details, identify exactly where it went wrong. Next, what you're gonna do, rephrase your question. Try rephrasing your question. Be more specific or add more context. The clearer your input, the better the output. Next, what you're gonna do, ask for clarification or correction. You can go ahead and type right here in the message blank, ask or can you double check that, right? Can you double check that? Okay, check that for me. Okay, and if the answer still doesn't seem right, simply ask ChatGPT to double check or clarify its response. It can help improve the accuracy. Next, what you're gonna do, use sources for verification, right? Lastly, cross-check information with reliable sources. ChatGPT might not always have the latest data, so it's good to verify when necessary. Use the output, the websites or news that can speak about this matter, all right, or this matter. So that's it. Just follow these steps to fix incorrect answers from ChatGPT. Happy chatting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.